All right, today is day 3. We are making one of my favorite projects. We are going to make a lightning bug or firefly. What do you call them?
I call them fireflies.
Do you? I do lightning bugs.
That's so cool.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
Okay.
I love it.
They light up. Their bellies light up to the underneath. Why do they light up?
Well, it's something called bioluminescence. And it's something that's inside their body. It's natural. It helps them see at night and let other creatures see them too.
Yep, it is something with oxygen and magnesium or something.
Oh, yeah.
I'll have to verify that. But Miss Rachel will put a little video so you can see them light up. When you are outside in the summer months, you can see them flying around, lightening up. It's fun to catch them, but please catch, look. Don't squash. Let them go free.
Yep, release. Catch and release.
Catch and release. They are very cool, but let's try to keep them alive.
Yep.
All right. So lay out all your pieces. All right. And then we are going to glue our yellow to the back. I mean, I guess you really don't know which one's the front and the back yet.
At this point, yep.
It'll be the back once we glue it. All right. So you kind of want to glue it like over top of these circles. Okay. And don't worry, if the glue comes through, it will dry clear. Okay, but that's the easiest way to do it. When you try to put glue on the tissue paper, it kind of tears it up. So try to put it on the black. All right. So it kind of looks like that. Like a firefly belly or a lightning bug belly. All right. And then we're going to kind of roll it and we're going to glue these tabs together. Okay. So look and see where you're going to glue. Okay. So you can hold it together. All right. So I'm going to just put a lot of glue on the inside right here. One side. And I'm going to roll it over, and I'm going to pinch it together, and I'm going to hold it just for a second. Okay? And then I'm going to kind of set it to the side for a minute. All right, then we're going to work on our head. All right? You have a black circle. You've got these nice buggy eyes. And then we have some antenna we need to connect. Okay? My fingers are gluey. All right, so figure out where you want the eyes on the circle. Flip the eyes over. Give it a little bit of glue. And then push them down on there. All right? And then your antenna, I'm just going to put a little bit on the outside right here. And then I'm going to just lift it up and push it down where I think I want it to be. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. Put a little bit of glue. And then I'm gonna lift it up. And let's see. How's that look?
That's really cute.
All right, so I'm gonna push it down. All right. We have our head. Let's set that to the side just for a second. And then we have our wings. If you look at the wings, they also have kind of some circles that you can decide how far you want your wings to stick out. All right. Look and see. Okay. There's different ways that you can do it. All right. I wouldn't do it all the way down. Okay. Does that look right?
Doesn't look very even, no.
No, it doesn't. Does that look right?
Could.
Yeah.
It could work. Yeah.
Okay, what if I'm flying?
Ah, yeah.
You know, I could put him down like this. What do you think?
I think that's really cute.
Okay.
Yeah.
So decide where you want yours to be. Okay. And take them off and then put some glue right in between. And I think I want mine right about there. What do you think?
Yep, that's perfect.
Okay. And then we're just going to push them together. Okay. Easy. All right. And we need to put our head on. Okay. So give your head some glue. Wow, I have a lot of glue on here. And then we're just going to stick that right to the front And Miss Rachel is going to have to kind of guide me because I can't see how high or low it needs to go.
That's pretty good. Maybe a smidge higher so you can see all the yellow. There you go. That's
Okay.
good.
So we're going to glue that on. Okay. Woo! Stay. I don't have glue on that side. That's why it keeps popping up.
Oh.
I'm like, why are you not staying? Put a little more glue. All right.
There you go. That's
Right
good.
there?
Yep. Perfect.
Okay. So hold that on. Then that should stay. And then, again,
Make sure your wings are going the right way.
Okay.
There you go.
glue. And then let's put it on the back tab. Okay. Is that right? Doesn't it go up higher?
I think that looks good.
Right there?
Yeah.
All right. Now, once you have it done, this is the cool part. All right. You should have a little candle. And we turn this on. Put it on there. And then, let me see if I can... Can we turn out the light?
I got that light off.
All right, let me see. Did I knock him over?
No, he's good. He's good. Oh my goodness, look at that. It glows just like a real firefly. That is so cool. So cool.
Super cool. It is definitely one of my favorite crafts. So I'm going to put him over here with all our other bugs. Bugs. All right. We should name him.
We should. What do you think, Miss Chrissy?
Frank.
Frank the Firefly.
I don't know where Frank came from. What would you have named him?
I think Frank is perfect.
Frank is perfect?
Frank is perfect.
All right, Frank. Hang out there.
That's right.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, you guys.